Hello from Kreneng market.
Yes, hello. Chicken sate and sate.
What is that pig skin? Hello. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Selamat malam.
Selamat malam.
This market really came alive. I was here earlier and it was dead. Google says it closes at 3 p.m. That is not accurate. You have a money pouch? I'm just about to head on the scooter. Let's go. Hello and good evening from Bali. So I'm about to go to Kreneng market. I went there earlier and it was not open or not really a lot happening. I asked someone there and if I understand them correctly, it's busier later in the evening. So now I'm just about to head on the scooter to Kreneng market, which is, I don't even know, somewhere in Bali. Let's go. Berapa? Parking. You want me to do this?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Hello from Kreneng market here in Bali. So I just came from the Sindhu market and check that video out if you haven't seen it. I was trying durian, but I wanted to see what this market was all about because Sindhu market seemed to be full of food. Here's clothing. Got pants, shirts, clothes. 30,000 rupiah. Yeah, $1 is 15. So these are like $2-3.
Hello.
Hello.
Looking.
Awesome.
Looking nice.
Yeah, just checking it out, checking the market out. Thank you.
Looking dulu na.
Suksuma.
Hello, my name is.
My name is Gisselle. Thank you. I don't know what people are saying, so. Need a bra? That's cheap. Not a bad price. Probably wouldn't fit me. Or maybe later. Okay, this market sprawls on forever. Let's go this way. More jewelry. Hello. Shoes. I got my sandals. Suksuma. What is he saying? I don't know. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Selamat malam.
Selamat malam.
Aku cintai Bali.
Yeah, good.
Thank you. Hi. Oh, people are so friendly here. That's awesome. That's soto ayam.
Mana orangnya dah? Hello. Tas.
Yeah, I need a backpack. Do you have backpacks?
Back. Parasut.
Yeah, nothing like this. No, okay. Suksuma. I think I might get a backpack when I'm back in Cairo. Hello. Hello.
15 saja dah.
Hey. Lots of stuff. Socks.
Hello, guys.
Hi, what's up, man? Awesome. People are very friendly. This is awesome. Aku cintai, things I love. Hello. Alamak. Hey. Funny guy. Everyone's so friendly. Oh, food.
Yes, hello. Chicken sate dan sate.
What is this? Waiting for the grill food. Satay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this market really came alive. I was here earlier and it was dead. And I thought, Google says it closes at 3 p.m. That is not accurate. What time is it now? Let me look. It is now 9:08. The man that I talked to earlier, I parked the bike and he said it stays open till like midnight. And I was like, later it'll be open, like baku means open. He was like, yeah. So, hello, selamat malam. Selamat malam means good evening, I think. Good music playing. Wow. I need to not forget where I parked the bike. And I might need help getting it out because you park and then like tons of other motorbikes park next to you, like really close like this. And I guess I could move it if there's room, but I'm not great at parking in any way, fashion, or form. Let's go in here. What is this? Is that pig skin? Are you Cynthia? What is that? Oh, I just ate, but I want to try it. Oh, if I hadn't just eaten at Sindhu Market.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Maybe I'll just never try puling. I like this market though. A lot of different options for food. People are hanging out, drinking beer. If they had a little money pouch, I would buy that. This. knows if that would fit me though. I don't know. Or I could buy some underwear. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know my size. I'd want to try it on. A lot of people. Let's see.
Oops.
Asa Kalino. Hello.
You have no. You have money pouch?
Pouch?
Like. Like this?
Oh no.
No? Okay. Okay. Suksuma.
Yeah.
Bye. Okay, no money pouch. I can buy all this in Cairo. I'm just looking around while I'm here. Why not? Hello. Who knows what he's saying? Oh. Maybe they have backpacks here? Oh, sorry. Looks like no backpacks. Oh, here's some backpacks. They're too big though. Yeah, I'm so picky about my backpack size. I just want something like small. Mine broke actually, so what I'm wearing now is too big. I don't like it, but at least I brought it because I have nothing otherwise to carry my stuff in. It's a great market though for lots of things that you might need. Bye. Hello. Is there more through here?
Jarang anak-anak
Small.
Kalau mati dipilih yang mana?
These backpacks didn't say anything on them. I might buy them, but they say stuff on them and I don't know if I want that. Hello.
Asli Pak, dijamin Pak. Dijamin.
Hello again. Thank you. Someone smells like a really good perfume.
Aku bocil ya.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna find a backpack here. I mean, I didn't come here looking for a backpack. I did walk around for a while. Oh, I'm so turned around. How do I get out of here?
Mulai libur jalan di rumah.
Yeah. Well, eventually I'll find the exit. I just wanted to take a look, you know, with the Sindhu market, trying durian. That was good, so check that out if you haven't seen it. Okay, I'm definitely in like the back end.
Kitty. Hi, baby.
Oh, I love cats. Oh, little baby. Okay, so I seem to be skipping a lot here. walking through this little back alley. Selamat malam. So I don't know Indonesian. I only know like a few words. Hello. Selamat malam. Okay. It's my best attempt. Good evening. I don't even know if I'm saying that right either. Oh, sorry. I don't think this is the entrance that I came in either. Oh, it is. Wow. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So that was a very quick walking tour of Kreneng Market. I parked by that tree. Nice. Hi. Hi, what's up? Oh, that's cute. Everyone is so friendly and cute. Here's the motorbike lady. I'm gonna go pay her. Maybe she'll help me get out. But I have to put all this stuff away first, so I wonder how much the parking will be. We shall see. Let's see. Which one was mine? Ah, yeah. See, so now it's stuck in here until, well, maybe I can get out actually. It'll be okay. So, alright guys, that's Kreneng Market. I hope you enjoyed that little walking tour. Stay updated with other videos by subscribing, and I will catch you on the next one.